Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to create a poll in WhatsApp. Now let's begin. Do note that I have already installed WhatsApp in my mobile device and logged into my account. In case you have not, do install it and log into your account right now. Now initially, what you need to do to create a poll in WhatsApp is be part of a group. Right here, as you can see, I'm already part of a group. Now I simply want to create a poll. At the bottom, there's a text box like this, and its left side there's an emoji-like icon, and moving along to the right, you will see an icon like this. That's a paperclip. Simply click on it, and this will open up. Well, from here you can upload documents. You can also open a camera, gallery and such, but right here at the very end, you'll find the option called as poll. Simply click on it, and this will open up. The setting will allow you to create a poll. Now write any question that you wish. Once that's okay, you can add options from right here. Do note that you can add multiple options as well. Once everything's okay, simply click on the button that's on the bottom right. And guys, there you go. That's how you create a poll in WhatsApp. Well guys, that's it for the video. That's how you create a poll in WhatsApp. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you.